the Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright. The Wright brothers built the first successful airplane. They were born in Ohio in 1867. Their father was a bishop. They had 5 brothers and sisters. They grew up in Indiana and Ohio. The Wright house was strict but loving. Both parents encouraged their children to enjoy school and learn as much as they could. A large library of books helped all the children to learn from a very early age. The Wright brothers had a very interesting childhood. The brothers enjoyed working and playing together. They were curious and inventive. Orville was full of ideas. Wilbur was more mature. The boys enjoyed the outdoor life. They played sports. They liked to build kites. Orville even sold kites at school to make money. Their mother, Sarah's father, was a carriage maker. She spent a lot of time in his shop. She used to make her own appliances as well as toys for the children. The boys loved to invent things. They took their mother's advice when they designed their own machines. One day, their father gave them a toy helicopter. It was made of bamboo, cork, and paper. It flew with rubber bands. They played with it till it broke. Now, the Wright brothers, boys, made their own helicopters. They made life-sized copies of their beloved helicopter toy. They got interested in flying. They wanted to make an airplane that they both could fly together. But Wilbur was hit in the face with a ball when he was a teenager. He had to stay at home. Orville also left high school on his own to start a printing business. He and Wilbur designed a printing press that worked very well. The two boys began a paper called West Side News. The two boys later sold the printing business and opened a bicycle shop. They began to work on bicycles and deliver newspapers to earn money. Their bicycle shop, the Wright Cycle Shop, taught them about mechanics. They made their own bicycle. They also repaired bicycles. They saved money, which they later used to build gliders. As young men, the Wright brothers started to learn the art of flying. They studied how birds used their wings. They collected information. They designed and tested gliders. They built an engine. They made kites, very large ones in fact. Soon, they were making ones so large that people could fly in them. These were called gliders. They flew on air current. They used this to design the wings for their gliders and planes. They made an aeroplane with moving wings. In 1900, they flew a glider at a place called Kitty Hawk in North Carolina. They made more than 1,000 gliding flights. Then they added an engine to a glider and took it to Kitty Hawk, again after 3 years. It was the world's first manned airplane, the Wright Flyer 1. It was made of spruce. It had propellers, and a lightweight aluminium engine. Orville flew it. The airplane flew to 120 feet. It lasted 12 seconds. Later, Wilbur took their newly designed airplane, the Flyer 2, into the air for the first flight, lasting over 5 minutes. Orville also took his 82-year-old father, Milton, on a 7-minute flight. After a few years, the brothers received a patent for their flying machine. A patent is a right given by the government to an inventor for a period to make copies of his or her invention. The brothers continued their experiments at Kitty Hawk. In 1908, Orville successfully flew their airplane before the government. The government accepted it. A newspaper reporter witnessed their flight and wrote about it. The story was in newspapers all over the country. The Wrights became famous. The Wright brothers formed the American Wright Company. They found great fame and success making airplanes. Unfortunately, Wilbur died in 1912 of typhoid fever. Orville sold the business and retired. He died later too. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.